Do you ever feel bloated, fatigued, or have unexplained digestive issues? Or maybe you've been experiencing skin problems, joint pain, or brain fog, but you're not sure why. What if I told you that all of these symptoms might be connected to something happening inside your stomach? That something is a leaky gut, and it might be silently stressing your stomach lining. So, what exactly is leaky gut, and how can it affect your overall health? In this video, we're diving deep into leaky gut, explaining how it impacts your body, and helping you recognize the signs that your stomach lining is under stress. Stay tuned as we explore what causes it, how it shows up in your body, and the steps you can take to heal your gut for a healthier, happier life. Let's get started. What is leaky gut and how does it affect your stomach lining? Leaky gut, also known as increased intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of your intestines becomes damaged. Normally, the lining of your intestines acts as a protective barrier, preventing harmful substances like bacteria, undigested food particles, and toxins from entering your bloodstream. However, when the lining becomes compromised, these harmful substances can leak into your blood, triggering an immune response and causing inflammation throughout your body. This leakiness occurs when the epithelial cells in the gut, which are responsible for tightly bonding together, become weakened or damaged. These cells usually form tight junctions to keep the gut barrier intact. When these junctions loosen, larger particles can pass through the gut wall and enter your bloodstream, creating an inflammatory response that may lead to a range of symptoms, such as bloating, fatigue, skin issues, and more. The big question is your stomach lining under stress? If you're noticing symptoms like these, it's possible that leaky gut could be the culprit. What causes leaky gut? Several factors can contribute to leaky gut. Here are some common causes. 1. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to gut inflammation. These foods can damage the gut lining over time, weakening the tight junctions between the epithelial cells. 2. Chronic stress. Constant stress can lead to the release of cortisol, which can affect gut health. High cortisol levels can damage the protective barrier of the intestines and trigger inflammation. 3. Imbalanced gut microbiome. The balance of bacteria in your gut plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health. An imbalance of harmful bacteria, often caused by poor diet or antibiotic use, can contribute to gut permeability. 4. Medications. Overuse of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, antibiotics, and other medications can damage the gut lining and contribute to leaky gut. 5. Infections. Certain infections, particularly gut infections caused by bacteria like H. pylori, can damage the gut lining and lead to leaky gut. How does leaky gut impact your health? When the protective lining of your stomach and intestines is compromised, harmful substances that are normally confined to the gut can enter the bloodstream. This leads to a host of health issues, as the body's immune system reacts to these foreign particles. 1. Chronic inflammation. One of the most significant effects of leaky gut is chronic inflammation. As harmful substances leak into the bloodstream, the immune system triggers an inflammatory response. Over time, this can lead to inflammation throughout the body, contributing to conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even autoimmune disorders. 2. Autoimmune conditions. With leaky gut, the immune system can start attacking the body's healthy tissues, mistaking them for foreign invaders. This leads to the development of autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and celiac disease. 3. Digestive problems. When the gut is leaky, it can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. These symptoms are often a sign that the gut lining is under stress and not functioning properly. 4. Brain fog and mood issues. Leaky gut has also been linked to brain fog, anxiety, and depression. The gut and brain are connected through the gut-brain axis, meaning that when your gut is inflamed, it can affect your mental health as well. Signs your stomach lining is under stress. So, how can you tell if your stomach lining is under stress and a leaky gut is at play? Here are some common signs to look out for. 1. Bloating and gas. If you constantly feel bloated after meals or experience excessive gas, this could be a sign of leaky gut. The undigested food particles and bacteria leaking into your bloodstream can cause discomfort and digestive distress. 2. Skin problems. Leaky gut can contribute to skin issues like acne, eczema, and rosacea. The inflammation caused by the leakage of harmful substances can show up on your skin as redness, irritation, or breakouts. 3. Brain fog and fatigue. If you're feeling mentally sluggish, forgetful, or tired all the time, it could be linked to a leaky gut. The inflammatory response triggered by gut permeability can affect your brain, leading to symptoms like brain fog, poor focus, and low energy. 4. Food sensitivities. Leaky gut often goes hand in hand with food sensitivities. If you notice that you feel worse after eating certain foods, it may be due to undigested particles or toxins leaking into your bloodstream. 5. Autoimmune symptoms. If you've been diagnosed with an autoimmune condition or are experiencing symptoms like joint pain, fatigue, or swelling, it could be a sign that leaky gut is contributing to your inflammation. How to heal your stomach lining. The good news is that a leaky gut is treatable. With the right diet, lifestyle changes, and support, you can heal your gut and restore its integrity. Here are some steps to help heal your stomach lining and improve your gut health. 1. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Focus on eating foods that reduce inflammation and support gut healing. This includes vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, like avocado and olive oil, and lean proteins. These foods help nourish your gut and reduce inflammation. 2. Avoid inflammatory foods. Limit foods that contribute to gut damage, such as processed sugars, gluten, dairy, and refined carbohydrates. These foods can trigger inflammation and worsen gut permeability. 3. Include gut-healing foods. Certain foods can promote gut healing, such as bone broth, which is rich in collagen and amino acids that support the gut lining. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are also beneficial for restoring a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Take probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics help restore a healthy balance of gut bacteria, while prebiotics provide nourishment for the good bacteria in your gut. Include foods like kimchi, kombucha, and garlic to support your gut health. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can exacerbate leaky gut. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises to help lower cortisol levels and support gut healing. 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for gut health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Poor sleep can increase inflammation and worsen gut issues. 7. Avoid harmful medications. If possible, limit the use of medications that can damage the gut, such as NSAIDs and antibiotics. Always consult with your healthcare provider before stopping any medications. The importance of gut healing supplements. Certain supplements can also help repair and strengthen the gut lining. Here are some of the most beneficial ones. 1. L-glutamine. This amino acid is one of the most effective supplements for healing the gut. It helps restore the integrity of the gut lining and supports the function of intestinal cells. 2. Collagen. Collagen is a key component of the gut lining and can help repair and strengthen the intestinal walls. Bone broth is a natural source of collagen, but you can also take collagen supplements to support gut healing. 3. Zinc. Zinc is essential for immune function and gut health. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the gut lining and reducing inflammation. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce inflammation in the gut and support overall gut health. Leaky gut is a serious condition that can affect your overall health, but it's not something you have to live with. By focusing on healing your stomach lining and improving your gut health, you can reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and prevent a range of health issues. Make sure to follow the tips and strategies we've shared in this video, and take control of your gut health today. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to comment below with any questions or your experiences with leaky gut. Together, we can create a healthier future for ourselves. Thanks for watching. We shall see you in the next video.